constellations ever thread, galaxies where I tread, arrives the stars revise. Planets pause in velvet spin, orbits curve as my dreams spin, aglow must watch. This is a catwalk of cosmos, my dreams striding through this celestial glows. He's on fire, calm and flawless, wearing gravity like diamonds. Nebulous unfold on cue, darkness turns electric blue. My dreams walk with no permission, it just move across infinity. Comets trail my dreams like sheep from bells, solar winds adjust its sails, constellations relay when my blood defines the time. No contest in open space, only rhythm, only grace, no competing with the night. I am so high. If cosmos frames the atmosphere, it's culture designed for my dreams. Catwalk of the cosmos, limitless and luminous, every step autonomous, crowned in quiet stardust. I don't chase the universe, it unfolds within my birth, infinity of roof as my as my dreams move.